Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Celoy Master here and I'm going to tell you how I broke up with Lineart. So, me and the ink pen tool go way back. We started when I got my Wacom Bamboo, the very one I'm still using all these years later, and first discovered the great paint tool Sai. Of course, we had some rough times, but we always managed to solve things and keep going strong through all of those years. But lately, we have been having some issues. I moved countries and decided to finally give me a chance to be a full-time artist, to find a dream job and live my life, that life that doesn't have to be perfect but will be full of love and fulfillment. But Ink Pen Tool was not happy with that. He was settled and didn't think he could make it anywhere else. He was just in his comfort zone and did not think he would be able to start a new life. The beach just wanted all the attention to himself, and we kept getting into fights until we got so sour that I decided to ditch the beach and follow my dreams. But seriously now, I decided to work without lines, which is something that is very unusual for me. I've already tried this once with my Rose Quartz illustration from the Steven Universe series, which is linked down below, but I did not get the chance to document it. This time though, I've got the means and the time to record it. And since it's not been too long since the reveal that, spoiler alert, Rose Quartz is pink freaking diamond, I decided to draw her too and make it into a series. A full resolution image will be available on my DeviantArt page as well as on my Facebook and my website. Please follow me everywhere and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to support if you want to see more. Comment down below if you have any critiques, suggestions or questions. Thank you very much for watching and I will be seeing you all again very soon. Bye bye.
Boom. tum tum.